Welcome, everyone, to the heart of innovation and excellence, the Star Construction Office. I'm thrilled to take you on an exclusive tour of our state-of-the-art facilities, where dreams are turned into reality and where every project is a testament to our commitment to quality and precision. As you can see, our office is more than just a building, it's a symbol of our dedication to pushing the boundaries of construction. From towering skyscrapers to cutting-edge infrastructure projects, Star Construction has been at the forefront of shaping skylines and creating landmarks. Let's step inside our impressive lobby, where the journey begins for every project. The moment you walk through these doors, you'll feel the energy and passion that drives us to exceed expectations. Now, let's delve into the heart of our operation, the design and planning department. This is where creativity meets precision. Our talented architects and engineers work collaboratively, using cutting-edge technology to bring concepts to life. Moving on to the nerve center of our projects, the construction site management. Safety is our top priority, and we employ the latest technologies to monitor and manage our sites efficiently. At Star Construction, we are committed to sustainability. Our green building initiatives focus on minimizing our environmental footprint. From energy-efficient designs to waste reduction strategies, we strive to build a better and greener future. Behind every successful project is a dedicated team. Let's step into the vibrant spaces where our employees collaborate, innovate, and cultivate a culture of excellence. Our workspaces are designed to inspire creativity and foster collaboration. Whether it's a brainstorming session in our collaborative areas or focused work in individual spaces, our team is driven by a shared passion for delivering exceptional results. As we conclude this tour, I want to express our gratitude for joining us on this journey. At Star Construction, we don't just build structures, we build dreams, and we're excited to continue shaping the future of construction. Take a look at this architectural marvel, our Office S. It's not just a building, it's a testament to our commitment to excellence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction. Follow me to the beating heart of our operation, the design and planning department. Here, creativity meets precision, and ideas come to life with the latest technology and innovative solutions. At Star Construction, we're not just builders, we're stewards of the environment. Check out our sustainability initiatives, from solar panels to green roofs. We're making strides towards a greener, more sustainable future. Here, ideas flow freely, and every individual plays a crucial role in our success. We're not just colleagues, we're a family united by a common goal. As we wrap up this exciting tour, I want to thank you for being part of our journey today. If you're as passionate about construction as we are and want to collaborate, reach out to us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of Star Construction. Join me as we step onto the construction sites managed by our dedicated team. Safety is paramount, and we employ the latest technology, including drones, to ensure every project progresses efficiently and with the utmost precision. Meet the exceptional individuals who make up the Star Construction team. Passionate, driven, and dedicated, each member contributes to our collective goal of turning visions into reality. Now, let's venture into the heart of our operation, the design and planning department. Here, creativity meets precision, and concepts transform into tangible plans through the use of cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. Thank you for being a part of our story. For inquiries and partnerships, visit our website or contact us directly. Star Construction, where vision meets construction excellence. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video. Thank you.